All right. So one thing that will be on your test that we've done a lot of practice with in class is using fractional rates to complete a table. So you'll see that we're going to make 6 more fractional rates, and in order to do that, what we do is we use the information that we have in order to find a unit rate, because then once you have a unit rate, you can find all the other rates. Okay. So the problem says that Tony needs a rate table for his tutoring job so that he can look up the charge quickly. Okay, so he's gonna make a chart for how much a certain length of tutoring sessions cost. So we're finding how much per hour in this case. So time is in hours, and the charge is in dollars. So we're gonna find out how many hours. Or sorry, oops. Oh, that's great. I need a new marker. So we want to figure out how many dollars he's going to make per hour. So here we have hours on top and dollars on the bottom, but we're actually going to switch this order. We want to find out how much money per hour he's going to make, because that just makes sense with what the problem is asking us. Okay. So they gave us an hour-and-a-half rate of $37.50. Okay. And we remember that to find a unit rate, we can take our proportion here, or our ratio here of dollars to hours. All right. We can put the dollars on top, 37.50. Over we'll just say 1.5 hours, it's 1.5. Okay, so if I divide the amount of dollars by the number of hours I'm given, okay, so 37.5 divided by 1.5, that would tell me that we're making $25 for every 1 hour of tutoring. Okay, so now that we found $25 for 1 hour, we can now find them all, okay, because I can divide that by 2, and I can get my 12.5 for half, right? Because I would just take 25 times it by 1/2. I could take 25 times it by 2, and I would get 50. Okay, 25 times 3 would be 75. Okay, so 3.5. Okay, I could just do that really quickly on the calculator, because again, you get a calculator on your test. Okay, 87.5. And then, of course, 25 times 4 would be $100. Okay, if I made any mistakes, let me know, but pretty sure that that's what we're looking for. So, I see that there's people watching this. You shouldn't be watching this right now. I'm on my break here. So anyway, so this video will save afterwards, and you can use this to figure out fractional rates. But this is how you would fill in a table. We take the information we have, we find a unit rate, and then we use that unit rate to fill in the rest of the information.